So as you can see, as you just polish it by hand here, just want to be careful and don't hit the black stuff, because then it'll ruin your car. No, but on a serious note, yeah, you can do this by hand. If you're in good shape, you can probably do it in one go, but as you can see, so there's before and then after. So it's really easy stuff. Of course, you don't need to be a professional to do this. I've done it on many cars, so I'm used to this wax. I like how it behaves. And Meguiar's, you gotta pay me. So that's what it looks like there. So that side, so that's done there. And then, yeah, let's hit, yeah, you can hit this. So that's all there is to it. I'll do another walk around of once it's completed. But yeah, but see, it gives it a nice shine. See, look at that. And then of course this is the side we need to hit. It's opaque. But again, use your microfiber. Would recommend use gloves because your hands will dry out. And then, yeah, you just keep going.